Hey everyone, AppFam here, and I know a lot of you guys are freaking out because you accidentally updated your device to iOS 13.5.1, but don't worry guys, I did too, and I've already found a working jailbreak with no computer. It's untethered. As you can see, I do have Cydia on my device with all the features. I am on iOS 13.5.1. This is the only way that I know of currently to jailbreak your iOS 13.5.1 device without a computer, and it's untethered, and this will give you access to all tweaks and paid apps for free, and it is compatible with every tweak and every paid app. So yeah guys, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this. It literally takes like 2 minutes, so just follow along with me and we'll get this installed. So first thing you guys want to do is open up Safari. This only works on Safari guys, okay? Go to the website apphacks.co/Cydia. Okay, there's the website guys, apphacks.co/Cydia. Okay, and so basically we're going to install the Cydia installer profile, which allows you to jailbreak your device. Okay, so just go ahead and click the go button. Okay, now it's just going to say the website is trying to download a profile. Just click allow, close, then you want to go straight to your settings. It should say profile downloaded right here. Click profile downloaded, click install, enter in your passcode, click next, install, done. Okay, so I just updated my Cydia installer profile, so we're going to open that up again. Okay, so basically right now it's just in the sandbox mode, so we have to unlock it and get the rest of the files transferred over here to complete the jailbreak for iOS 13.5.1. Okay, so just click on any of these features and it will take you to the injection screen. So basically all you have to do is you click the start injection button. It will take you to the injection wizard, and from there you basically just have to install all of the apps on there and follow their exact instructions. And basically once you do that, the files for the jailbreak are hidden within those apps, and when you follow the exact instructions on the wizard, it basically initiates a break in the code in the apps, which begins transferring the files for Cydia over to your device. Now, Cydia should load within 30 minutes of completing the injection successfully. If it doesn't load within 30 minutes, then you did something wrong. You need to do the injection over again. So basically, I recommend installing more apps, following their exact instructions, and leaving them open for a bit after completing them, their instructions. Other than that, guys, that's how to jailbreak iOS 13.5.1. This works on all iOS devices, and all versions of iOS as well, so everything dating back to even iOS 12. If you're on iOS 12, it still works there. And yeah, you can go ahead and start getting all the tweaks you want. It's not tethered, like I said. You can reboot your device anytime, and yeah, you don't need a computer for this. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy your jailbroken iOS 13.5.1 device. That's all. If you guys have any questions, please drop a comment below and I'll do my best to get to it. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, AppFam out.